Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Paylocity app is and how it's positioned. The Paylocity mobile app is a workforce management and HR access tool that gives employees secure access to payroll and HR data from a personalized home screen on mobile devices. It lets users view their paychecks and historical pay information, clock in and out, check schedules, update personal information, and access messages and tasks with just one login. Users can also submit receipts, reconcile expenses, use company cards with built-in controls, and review timesheets directly within the app. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. The app provides push notifications for activities like time-off request approvals, new paychecks becoming available, chats, and other alerts enabled by the employer's configuration. Paylocity includes social collaboration tools like Community, where users can connect with coworkers and receive updates from leadership if enabled. Employees may also request access to a portion of earned wages before payday through the on-demand payment function when supported by their organization. Biometric login and encryption are available to help protect sensitive information on users' devices, and inactive sessions time out to prevent unauthorized access. To use the Paylocity app, your employer must be a Paylocity client and you must be an authorized user with valid credentials. This app may be useful for employees who want convenient mobile access to HR and payroll tasks such as checking pay, schedules, and time tracking. For workers interested in managing payroll, schedules, time, and HR tasks on the go, this could be an option depending on how Paylocity is configured for their organization. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.